come in. Yeah, yeah. Bow leg. Bow leg, Lisa. Bow leg, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So the breeze has made the fun. That's way familiar. My son, they have to fix it. Right? Right, Lino? That is it.
For riverboat services from Embankment Pier. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Right, Lino?
Right.
That is it. But we are at Bakerloo. No, don't lie.
But that's not okay. We're not saying that. We're going to elevator and push up. We go
Go
from
push
side,
up.
not push up.
You want to walk?
Oh, man, whatever you want.
We are on our way to Garrett Theatre. We're going to watch a live show. Thanks to Mrs. Annabelle. She bought us 2 tickets. Oncoming traffic.
Alright. I don't know why we dressed up like this here. Everyone's here wearing jeans, that type of stuff.
I don't know. We look nice. Right?
Alright. But look now, mommy. We never go do this. We overdressed.
No, we're not overdressed. We look nice. That is it.
But nah, lie. I'm praying no walks right in front of us or sit there, sit over there, or over there. No, mommy. You understand? Me pray that nobody comes sit in front of me.
I don't want no big head people here, so you know. I'm not going to lift up.
No.
Lift up.
It's alright. Bro, we just hit seats, yeah.
See, next time I come, I want to up this one. Me, no, I'm not doing this. See, next time you come here, I want to up this one. Because still Lagos in California.
We even try to switch seats and everything.
How was it, son?
Good. I give that a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Lisa! How was it, son?
It was good. 10 out of 10.
You like it? Yeah, I love it. It was a good show. You enjoyed?
Of course.
Okay.
So, what's the movie about the girl now? It was sitting in front of you.
She want to wash her ear. You see the wig them what we are wear? We have to wash them. You see every time like the breeze or something come, I saw me set the wall. Yeah.
Every minute she keep on tapping me. Every minute. Any moment?
They have to wash the ear them when they wear, man. If you can't smell it.
You see what I do?
Me, want to go up here. And you have to push me up there. So get up here someone want to go.
And I go come and broke my back. Mine drop in a moment.
Have you careful, it's kind of like a slippery out there. Shall we help her?
Alright, waterfall. Let's go! I dance, I dance. I'll dance for one, dance to the dinner. That looks nice, too. The water. Now go there.
Yeah, look at it through the on the phone compared to in person.
Nice. Eh? It's still nice. stop. You know that though.
And I'm like, what? And there's a fox running through the courtyard, and then it turned around.
I see. You remember we climb up on
Yeah.
Carrie the pregnant. Carrie, if you're watching, you remember? And she jump up and she needs to jump up.
Stay there. The light.
Like, it's nice.
Yeah. What's the move?
You want bust a move?
What's the move now? I know you want to ask. Go on, huh?
What the sunset?
Yeah. I mean. Hey.
TikTok girl. You can dance without music. We never see nobody dance without music. Are we gonna take?
They want moment.
We're gonna take the train. Wanna take the train?
Yeah. Train. Bus agak too long. If you take bus, the bus can take us over an hour to get home. Take
This
train.
is what me did I try remember.
Yeah.
Something when me know I come in at the area.
You see,
Actual circus, you go
yeah.
there, so.
you see when we came out, yeah, we came from out down there. Sorry, over that side. And if you go down there is Westminster. You see what I do?
Me, want go up here. And you go push me up there. So get up here some want go.
And I go come and break my back. Mind the trap, you know, man?
Have you careful? It's kind of like a slippery out there. Should we help her?
So there's a little trend going on TikTok. It's a TikTok dance. I love the song, but guess what? People copyright. So, me have a voice over. So you know, so my son, him always support me in anything I'm doing. So you know, say I'm my cameraman tonight. I'm dead with laugh, but me no business with him. Still I do my video. Anyway, people pass, people look, some people walk round with, some people walk in front of we, but me never stop till me get it right. And right now, me get it right, Dino? If Dino the day, I would have said right. Anyway, this is how the video look at the end. Just like this. Next.
Last lady. What's the move? Yeah? What? Go on. Yeah? Go back again. What? Right for walk. Yeah?
Right, that's the sun.
Now
right,
drift.
Son.
Why not drift? Yeah.
See, as I read Jamaica, we have fun anywhere we go. And if we feel like fiesta, never fiesta. you see, if we feel like rah, fiesta.
I can't move, but I could.
Right, son?
I know about that one there.
Michael Jackson. You gonna stop? Be there, be there, be there, be there. Tina Turner. Some girls are mean girls in real life. Some girls are mean girls in real life.
Yeah, man.
This is a clown. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Come on again.
Right?
Right.
And I said to myself, what a wonderful world.
Jesus Christ.
In a traffic light, we jump it up, and then bubble up. Ra, 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 fiesta. Oh, you said the phone. All the video me have today. The phone tired of me now. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to your girl Alicia Christopher. Bye for now, and another video will be coming soon. You know, so I have to start post again, because all of a sudden I drop off now. I need to pick up myself and start post again. So for now, I am out. Enjoy.